Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be speaking about, can anybody learn mediumship? Of course they can. Why couldn't they? When you understand the concept of what a medium does and how a medium operates, it is because of the clear senses that the human being possesses. Therefore, if one human being has these abilities, mark my words, ladies and gentlemen, each and every one of you have the capabilities to contact the spirit world. End of. I know there's probably going to be a large percentage of you who've been told by somebody else that you're not good enough. You'll never become a medium. That person who's told you that had no right at all. And this is the prime example of egotistical driven individuals. People who think they have the right to hold and suppress people. It's not right, and it's why we're here. You know, this is why you found this video. I apologize for the individual's behavior who has told you you weren't good enough. Whilst I wasn't directly involved, as a teacher, it's my duty and care to ensure that you have a safe place to retreat and to come and ask your questions. That's what this channel is about. So if you do have any comments, remember to let me know down in the comment section. But each and every one of you possess the skill sets already in your little humanistic chess box of clear abilities, extrasensory perceptions, to become mediums. I appreciate and acknowledge that I am very controversial. I also understand there's a lot of people out there that hate me. Why do they hate me? It's not because I don't know what I'm doing. So ask yourself the question, why is it that people hate me? I bring forward evidence every time. But that easy. Not a hassle. I can prove of the spirit world being with me on every video. You'll always see orbs flying around us. You'll always see the spirit world with us. You'll see on some of my videos, spirit turning off lights. I mean, don't do it on this one, spirit, please. But you'll see them. They'll do things for us on camera where a lot of you'll be like, oh my God, that's spooky. To me, it's normal. It's the spirit world that I work with. Each and every one of you can have this. Each and every one of you can have these exact same notions and theories that I have. I can share my understandings with each and every one of you. But there's one thing that we have to appreciate and acknowledge about you as a person. Do you want to become a medium? And I don't mean you might like the sound of it. Ask yourself this now. Do you want to become a medium? If you want to become a medium, then you found the right channel. There's no ifs or buts about it. I'll let me thousands of people that have already helped answer that one for us. But the thing is this starts at you. This starts at, are you ready for this journey? Are you ready to tackle this adventure? The adversity that's about to stare you in the face? Because yes, it's not easy. I think that's where a lot of people get this so mixed up and and this is why a lot of, egotistical people get away with what they do. Because they make it seem so far out of reach from each and every one of your grasps. By introducing big spiritual words. You'll notice on every one of my videos, you won't see me using spiritual jargon at all. Is it because as a human being I lack the ability to articulate conversations in that manner? I don't have the dialect? No. It is very, very simple. It does not serve you any good. I need to be able to get a message across to each and every one of you as simple as I possibly can. By doing that, I am allowing you and giving you the abilities to better yourself as a person. Sorry, the energy is getting quite strong there. I'm going to have to have a drink. If you see us doing that, a lot of people ask why I do that. And I have to, every time I do it, I've got to openly tell everyone. So basically, when I come in front of a camera, none of this is rehearsed. None of this is well, I was going to say recorded, but it is recorded. I've got to record it, or you just won't see it. The problem is though, sometimes the energy, even for myself, the energy becomes overwhelming because the spirit will enter my body. I feel their presence with me as I speak. So sometimes it can become very overpowering. So I've got to stop myself and I've got to ground myself. Well, I said ground. I hate that word, you know. To any one of you who are thinking, well, hang on, you've got to ground. You don't ground. You don't ground. I don't even know why I said that. Spirit are laughing at us. I hate that word. It gets so far out of reach because people decide that they want to make it more theatrical. You know, we've got all of these different bits of words get added into the mix. And mediumship, in its raw essence, is very simple. You have clear abilities to communicate with the spirit world being the energy realm which resides all around us. That is the simplified version. But then we have lots of different spin-offs and additives put into the mix because it makes people look good. Each and every one of you, mark my words when I say this, if you're wanting to become a medium, then you've definitely got to check out the mediumship videos that we have on this platform. There's a reason why you're here, and if you're up to this part of the video, remember to smash that like button, thank you. But it's one of those things where a lot of you will fail at the first hurdles. And I'm going to tell you the reason why. It's not because you don't have what it takes. It's because you're going to let other external influences pave your way. You're going to let other people tell you you're wrong. You're going to let other people... And I don't mean in readings here. Because if you're doing readings and 90% of those readings, people are telling you you're wrong, you really need to reassess. I do readings and I have 100% pass rate. I've never, ever, 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 ever in my entire time had somebody who hasn't either cried or has said, I haven't got a clue what I'm on about. It doesn't work like that. When you have an understanding and you know where you're getting that information, it can't happen like that. You can't allow it to happen like that. You have to be rigorous and strict on yourself to ensure that you're given the best service and level quality as possible. But yeah, a lot of you are going to fall victim to mankind. A lot of you might not fully embrace the opportunities that you have. Spirit are fascinating. And I'll tell you the reason why. When you start working with the spirit world closely, you will see very quick and very fast how intelligent the realm is. We are taught and educated from being children, from Hollywood and all of these different movies, that spirits are silly, the trapped souls, they're wandering aimlessly across the earth plane. You know, they stood by the gravesides because that's all the... It doesn't work like that. The spirit world don't do any of that at all. It's like having a brainy best friend. That's what it's like. It's like having a brainy best friend. They know that they can plan things, they can orchestrate things, they do everything. And there's not a day that goes by where I would look back on my journey. And I'm 33, 34, one of the age, I forgot. They're laughing at us now. But the rest of my life, this is what I'll do. I'll be in front of cameras, I'll be teaching, I'll be on platforms. This is my life now. I am dedicated 100%. There is nothing else that I want to do to fulfill my life. This is my life purpose, my mission of help, heal, serve. And I'm going to help each and every one of you along your divine spiritual paths. And if I can just help each and every one of you to connect to your loved ones, to even just have a glimpse into the world that I see of spirit, you will find out very quick how mankind have been lying to you all. The spirit will want nothing more than to help you, to guide you and nurture you. Realms, exactly the same, a little bit different. No, that's a video for a different day. But yeah, each and every one of you, to recap, each and every one of you can become great mediums. There's no ifs or buts about it. But it's about your journey. It's a journey that's going to be probably one of the most difficult ones that you've ever faced. Because it's lonely. People don't accept you for the abilities you have. I mean, on this platform, you will be, because we're all the same. But there is a lot of mankind who will just look you up and down and think you're absolutely crazy. People think I'm crazy, even though I bring forward evidence of the afterlife. I can prove it time and time again. But I think that's part of being the person that you are. You have to toughen up. You have to be a lone wolf. You have to know that it's you against the world. Yes, you have our platform, but I don't want you to be thinking of us as being your backup or something. We're here to help and guide you. But I need you to be your own person. That is the point that I'm trying to portray here. You know, if you are somebody who gets pushed around a lot, toughen up. if you are somebody who people talk about behind the back, let them talk. You be you. You own it. And anyway, I think we'll end it there. I think you just get the point that I'm trying to say. You all can be mediums. There's literally not one person on this planet. And to anyone who thinks you can lose your abilities, it's simply not true. Simply not true. And when you tell yourself that you've lost your abilities, you are actively welcoming that into your world. What you choose to accept is what you welcome into your world. If you're telling yourself you can't do this, then of course you're never ever going to be able to do this. Brain program. Very, very simple. I know. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you did enjoy this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.